When two aeroplanes want to transfer fuel from one to the other, they have to make sure that they're flying at the same speed, in the same direction, at the same level. And only then can they make a good, stable connection. And in a similar way, effective communication happens when the speaker and the listener are traveling together at the same emotional level. Our emotions control the way that we think, feel, and react. So to better understand how a person is thinking and feeling, it's important that we make sure that we understand their emotional state. But this can be tricky. It's very easy to confuse anger with frustration. It's easy to confuse worry with stress or fear. But once you've managed to correctly identify the speaker's emotional state, then they will feel recognized, understood better, and you'll have a better connection to make better communication. And the opposite is also true. If you fail to understand how the speaker is feeling, then the basis for communication is worse. I once heard the recording of a phone conversation between a client and customer services. "I'm angry," said the customer. "Oh, I'm sorry that you're not happy with our service," said the representative. "I didn't say that I'm not happy. I said I'm angry," replied the customer. "Yes, I can tell that you're a little upset." "A little upset?" It's true. And the more the representative refused to acknowledge how the client was feeling, the angrier he got and the worse the communication became. So, your challenge for week 7 is this: identify and recognize how the speaker is feeling. And it's easier than you might think. Often a simple question is enough. "You sound disappointed. Is that how you're feeling? You seem very excited about that. Am I right?" Or even just a simple, "So how do you feel about that?" By identifying how the speaker is feeling and connecting on the same emotional level, the speaker will feel recognized and better understood. And if you can achieve that, then your listening skills really are starting to fly sky high.